Hi, I'm Kraang, and today, I'm going to destroy the Chevrolet Camaro with a sledgehammer, because I hate that car so much. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I destroyed the Chevrolet Camaro with a sledgehammer. Yes, I destroyed the Chevrolet Camaro with a sledgehammer. Yes, I destroyed the Chevrolet Camaro with a sledgehammer. Now to get the fuck out of here before I get caught. Now to get the fuck out of here before I get caught.
Oh boy, I can't wait to check out the Chevrolet Camaro, and buy it to go for a drive with my BFF Mimi Sparkleberry. Oh my god, the Chevrolet Camaro has been destroyed. How the fuck did this happen? Wait a minute, I bet it was Kraang. He must have destroyed the Chevrolet Camaro with a sledgehammer. That's it, I will call his parents right now. Hi, Kraang's parents, your son Kraang has destroyed the Chevrolet Camaro with a sledgehammer. Can you ground him for this? What? Kraang destroyed the Chevrolet Camaro with a sledgehammer. Oh my god, thanks for telling us. We are going to ground him right now. Goodbye. Kraang, we can't fucking believe you destroyed the Chevrolet Camaro with a sledgehammer. That car costed $4,500.
I strongly agree with your mother. You are grounded for 18 years. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Whatever you say, Mom and Dad. What?